Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing really well. Today I'm very excited to share with you guys my most delicious homemade chicken roast recipe. And as you can see, I'm marinating them with salt and food coloring. But if you don't want food coloring, you can add turmeric as well, that's absolutely fine. And I'm gonna be marinating them for about 10 minutes because I've got 8 pieces of chicken. If you got more, you can marinate them for about extra 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to make onion and ginger paste. So in that case, I must gonna say you need to use the fresh onion and fresh ginger rather than using the artificial ones, because this actually comes up with a natural flavor and it goes really well with the chicken roast as well. Because for this chicken roast, we make sure we need all the fresh ingredients and all the creamy gravies as well. So as you can see, I'm blending them up and I'm gonna make a very creamy paste. You can add extra water if you want extra gravy. So I'm actually frying them up, my chicken that I've marinated for about 10 minutes. And this is the most important part of the chicken roast, which is almond powder, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, yogurt, ketchup, sugar, salt, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, and if you want you can add white pepper powder, but make sure don't use any black pepper or paprika because that actually doesn't go really well with this chicken roast. So I'm going to be add 2 cups of hot water down here, and I'm gonna make a very smooth paste. And I'm adding the salt now as well. So in that case, I must say the powder that I've made earlier, I've actually mixed them all up and then grind them on my grinder. So as you can see, in that case, make sure that there is no lumps on the paste that you are making. So in that case, if you are not confident, you can use hand blender as well. And I'm just adding a spoon, so that's absolutely fine. Just make sure there is no lump, and this paste should be very creamy, because this is the most important part of this chicken roast. And this paste is gonna make your chicken looks different, and it's gonna make your chicken the most delicious, as you can see. So my chickens came out very golden in color, is because of the food coloring. And now I'm going to cook the main part of this chicken roast. And as you can see, I've added the olive oil butter and the oil that I'm actually used for the chickens, so I'm adding that oil. In that case, what happens if you add the oil for the chickens that you are frying up, that actually brings the actual flavor of the chickens. So I'm adding the cinnamon and 3 bay leaves as well, cinnamon stick. And if you want, you can add more cinnamon stick, it's up to you. And down here you need to add like 2 big sized of sliced onion. So this is the most fun part for me, because onions actually is gonna take time to make it a golden brown onion is really important for this chicken roast recipe. And I've added the pre-made paste that I've showed you guys earlier, onion and ginger paste. As you can see, this is boiling, and the paste that I've made earlier as well, that's the paste that I've showed you guys. So as you can see, I'm boiling all the paste together, and I don't need to add any more spice on it. So after 10 minutes, I'm adding the chicken. So this recipe is really easy if you are very careful, step by step. And I'll actually recommend you guys to see the whole video, then you can actually try it at home. This is really nice and really easy as well. It's just you need to follow the steps. So I'm adding the chicken with the gravy, and I've added some fresh chilies as well, as you can see. And I'm gonna be adding some fried onion. So I am actually using the fresh fried onion that I've made my home. If you want, you can add the supermarket fresh fried onion as well, that's fine. that goes very well as well, but I'm actually adding the fresh one. So I'm actually mixing the chicken with the gravy, and this gravy is really important. I repeat, it's really important for this chicken roast recipe. So make sure if you do it very carefully, it's gonna come up very nice and it's gonna give you a brilliant result. So I'm actually cooking them on low heat for 20 minutes. As you can see, after 20 minutes the chicken came up very creamy, and I'm here actually making some fresh chicken kebabs as well today. So I am sharing that with you guys because this is my lunch recipe and there are some guests over coming at my home. So I'm actually adding white pepper, paprika, cumin powder and coriander powder, and as you can see the green chopped parsley I've added, and the chopped onion, one small sized onion, that's fine with this. And I'm adding some vegetable oil. In that case, I'm just gonna say you need to add some extra oil in this minced chicken, because when you are actually making them on your shape, so that's gonna be really easy. And on this chicken kebab, massage is really important because that actually absorbs all the fresh onions, fresh chopped parsley, and the curry powder and the spices that I've used. They actually helps to absorb on the chicken minced meat. So I'm actually giving them a good nice massage, and I'm gonna let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's fine, just to absorb the flavor, natural flavor. So I'm gonna be let them taking rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and as you can see, after 5 to 10 minutes I'm frying them up while my pulao is going on. So I haven't actually showed you guys the pulao recipe. If you want it, just give me a message or comment down below. I'll show you guys on my another video. So this is the very easiest pulao, I can say that, and the rice came up very fluffy. As you can see, I've actually added a bit of food coloring, and I've added some green peas as well, because all of my family members, they like green peas. So everything is done and lunch is ready. So chicken roast is done, chicken kebabs is done, and pulao is ready as well. And I've made some salad with cilantro, tomato, cucumber and lemon, and I'm actually serving all of my family members. As you can see this is really delicious, and the pulao came up very nice, and the salad, obviously these recipes doesn't go really well with the salad, without the salad. So you can see that chicken kebabs came up very nice as well. My husband actually was at the end, he was actually serving for me, and you can see the chicken roast. So that's the most awaited dish that everyone was waiting for. As you can see, the gravy came up very nice, and it's really good with the pulao. So thanks for watching today. If you do like my video, share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.